Welcome, I'm Steve, a user of Mr. House, and I've developed a Tasker integration that you might be interested in. Just recently it became more mature and stable, and I think I should start sharing it now. So what can it do, and why would you want it? Well, it allows remote and local access to Mr. House from your phone. Optionally, your phone can send information about its current state, Wi-Fi connection, battery level, charging state, location, things of that nature, if you choose to turn it on, so that you can then use those local variables to make decisions about what to do in your home automation programming. So let's give this a quick little demo. There's 3 apps that you have to install. I'll go over that in detail in another video. So what I'll show you are these 2 icons that are on the home screen for this example phone. It's an old phone, but it still works. So we can click on MH text command and give it any voice command we want to if we want to do this silently. So I'm going to choose an example of what time is it? And send that. Mr. House processes that and sends a pop-up back to the phone. Now that was silent. Not quite as exciting or Star Trek-y. So let's use the recognize button here on our widget on the home screen and ask it same thing. What time is it?
It is 4:33 p.m. on Wednesday, December 2nd.
That's great. We can do any voice command we want to. The Perl script examples that I have running also do a couple little fun things. So let's try that. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Steve, but I don't even know when my birthday is.
What is 1 plus 1?
It's 2.
What's the square root of 64?
The square root of 64 is 8.
When will the sun set?
Sunset today is at 4:19 p.m.
So we're able to gather information from it, but we can also send it commands like you would with your code or any other way of calling a voice command. Turn the kitchen fan light on.
Turning kitchen fan light on.
And we can also ask it other information based on the state of other phones. So if I had more than one device, I could ask it, where is device 1? And then it opens up a map with fake coordinates, since this is a demonstration video. But it gives you coordinates of the last known location of the device that you asked about. There's also several things that we can do with notifications. One thing I did was create dog feeding reminders. So 6 p.m. we get a voice announcement on the PA. About an hour prior to that we get a notification on our phone. So it sits here and says, remember to feed the dogs. So I can tell it either by clicking I fed them, which sends the voice command, I fed the dogs, or I can say it directly. I fed the dogs. And notice this notification is pulled away.
Thank you for the update.
And if we go back to the Mr. House interface and we turn on Tasker debug, we will see lots of extra information as we plug this phone into a charger. So we got the location, the altitude, and the time of that, along with this now being on the charger. So there's Tasker Steve 1 charging, which we can check in other code. The battery level, it's connected to Wi-Fi, etc. So there's lots of things that you can do to integrate this with your current Mr. House code. If you want to know how you can do this for yourself, I'm making a video that shows you how to set this up from a vanilla Mr. House installation and these three apps installed on your phone without any configuration. So I'll take you through that every step. Thanks for watching.